Hey y'all, so I'm home now. I wanted to do a quick video for y'all of my young cane corso female named Lucia, right there. She has not really been socialized yet very well. I haven't taken her yet to Home Depot, but I did want to show y'all a clip of when my dad came to visit. So this was great because she hasn't seen anybody else come into my home before my dad came to visit. And it's also great because, as y'all know, you guys that have been watching the channel, I live alone here, so she doesn't have a lot of people coming. In fact, nobody really ever comes here. So I live out in the country, Texas Hill Country. So for me to socialize her, usually I'll have to take her out into public. So this was a really good experience for her to see a man, actually, that she's never met before. And then this is Ozzy. This is the first cane corso I ever got. He's about 4 years old now. This is my alpha male. Oh, and there's Dolce, the second cane corso I got. That's female. She's about 2 years younger. And then, amazingly, you can see that the 5-month-old female is just about as big as the 2.5-year-old, nearly 3-year-old right there. So they grow at different rates, you know, and I'm pretty sure that Lucia is going to be a much bigger female than Dolce. But yeah, so anyways, I'll play that clip here, and I want to show you like how it all went down. So Lucia was actually kind of aloof, as cane corso usually are. But over time, she did warm up to my dad. And my dad is one of these people that has like an innate understanding of canine communication. He just knows how to deal with them. He's a veterinarian, retired, so he's dealt with animals all his life. You know, grew up in Holland, and then came to the U.S. as a kid and grew up on a farm. So he's had lots of experience with animals, and just one of these people that knows how to deal with dogs. And you can see from the clip, Dolce, she's my most energetic cane corso. So you can see several times where she kind of buds in, where he's trying to talk to my Pitbull American Bully puppy as well as Lucia, and Dolce comes and gets in his face, and you can see how he deals with her. He just doesn't pay her any attention. So yeah, he had her in check, you know, just after, you know, a few minutes of him staying here, she already knew what he was about, like how she can't get away with getting in his face. But yeah, so anyways, here y'all go. Lucia, go see, say hi. Good girl. Don't shake it down. Girl. Come on.
There we go. Oh, look at you.
So Dolce is the one that kind of coming into people's space.
Yes,
Good girl.
Come on. You get away. Yes. Don't just in the way. Don't you just in the way.
Yeah.
Look at the
She
little
has to
puppy.
climb up and sit.
Look at the little puppy.
Put her back.
Look at the little puppy.
Okay, that's good that she sees.
There we go. There we go.
She sees the puppy. Say hi, baby.
Yes. Yeah.
Say
Yes,
hi. Good girl.
Yes.
Good girl. This is actually the first socialization that she's had.
Look at her.
Yeah,
She's a little Larry and Baby.
not you, Dolce.
Larry and Larry.
Lucia, go see. Good
Yes.
girl.
Oh, look at you.
Say good girl.
Look at you. Look at you.
She's a little skittish from strangers. I need to socialize her a lot more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take her to Home Depot. And
Come
the
on.
cane corso, though, they have this fear stage that they go through at about this age that they get over.
Yeah.
They're a little timid, but not terrible, actually. She's kind of aloof, you know, aloof to strangers.
Which is
It's kind of,
cautious.
yeah, it's kind of
just
characteristic for them.
She's just cautious. Yes, she's cautious.
Good girl, baby.
Yes, she's cautious.
Lucia.
Just
aloof, and that's actually not a bad trait for them because.
Yeah, she's okay. She'll come around.
But
She's
I
got
like
her
how she's
eye
not
on you.
hyper with you.
No.
I like that. It's good.
Yeah.
Is she nice?
What do you say, old pal?
And
What do you say, old pal? What do you say, old pal?
and it's a female. She
Uh,
looks like a male because she's real stocky.
oh, yeah.
But she's
Chunky
chunky
head.
girl.
Short.
Man, Dad, she's
Yes.
strong too.
Yes.
She's all muscle.
Oh, this is like their lickies, whatever it is.
Yeah, that I
That
just
kind of
gave.
sweet taste.
Yeah, it's got a little kind of a paste, hardened like a chicken paste, and it's a treat for them. Now she's gonna go lay down. That's great. It's a great socialization for them. Let me just go put this up real quick.
Did you see? On my leg.
How?
It reminded me, I need this. Yeah. Oh, I see you. Yes, indeed. Look at her. No, you're not getting it. No. You have yours.
Yeah, Dolce needs to learn some restraint, but yet already she's socialized to you, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Lucia.
Took just a one day.
Yeah, just one day. And food.
She's a good girl. Oh, yes, she is. She sure is. Look how smart that little shit is. He's not jumping.
I
He
know.
wants to jump real bad.
I know.
That's just this morning.
Yeah. You taught him not to jump already.
I'll take him.
Yeah. Look, and she's laying down for you. Ah, I see.
Yeah. You good dog. Yeah, you good dog.
Yeah, she's gonna be just like Ozzy, isn't she?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. Good boy, Ozzy. Good girl, Dolce. Good girl, Dolce. Yeah, Dolce was a little too excitable. She got a correction. Yeah, she got the message. She's settled down now. Good girl, Dolce. Good girl. She's a good girl. There you go. Good girl.
Oh, not really that much. I drove, from north of Austin, about an hour away to get to Austin. I'm not in Austin, I'm in South Austin. Well, I'm not in Austin, I think of that, but I'm all halfway to San Antonio from Austin. That's where Missy lives. But that's a good buy.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
gotta buy
yeah.
a place like that.
Right.
True.
So cute. I just had to get this video. Look. So I hope you all enjoyed that. And I'm going to start socializing Lucia more out in public. But that was a really good, nice socialization, the first experience for her with somebody coming into the home. So, yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching, and see you all in the next one.